Aloha, this is Jerome James, and this is lesson 1 of Group Rhythm Basics. Basically, today we're going to be starting off with a little bit of learning how to hold the drumstick, and then we're going to go into some basic rhythm understanding. Let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a drumstick, and we're going to find about the halfway point. Halfway point is about here, and 3/4 point is about right here. We're going to get with our thumb and our pointer, we're going to pinch it right there at that 3/4 point, and then our fingers are going to come around and then kind of hold it. Not necessarily grip it, just kind of like hold it there, okay? From there, we're going to find our playing surface. We're going to try and play in the middle of the playing surface, come up about an inch or two from there, and then our arm is going to come up here, and then after that is going to be our wrist, and it's going to come up a little bit there. So it's going to look like this. Arm up, wrist up, and then hit. When you do hit, it's going to be like a nice solid hit. You're not going to come inside the head, you're going to kind of come and hit it. Hit. Bam, like a samurai. Bam. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to learn a little bit about quarter note rhythm understanding. Okay? Basically, this is a pulse. This is a pulse at 93 beats per minute. And it's right here, okay? So feel that. Learn to feel that, okay? Now we're going to try and get with our hand, and we're going to play it. Start off with your left hand. Let's go with our right hand. Let's go right hand, left hand. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's count with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Cool. The next understanding that we're going to do is something called eighth notes. So, if this is our quarter note pulse, the next grouping that we have above that is eighth notes. Eighth notes in comparison to the quarter note sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If I was going to do hand to hand, it would sound like this. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then what you can also do from there is get that quarter note pulse embedded where you're bobbing down with it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and let's tap our foot too. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Basically what this is doing right now is we're learning how to internalize rhythm in the body. Just like even just spending time with a metronome or a pulse of some sort is just really good. You can just like feel it. You don't necessarily even have to play. Just kind of start to understand that. We can come up in tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. These are just basic tempos. Different tempos means actually what tempo means is a difference in mood. Tempo dictates mood, which is a whole other thing. But for now, we just need to understand how that makes us feel and how that quarter note, which is a very strong thing in a lot of Western music, it's just like it makes you feel there. We're going to be doing a lot of internal rhythmic understanding, like really building the body to understand as well as to communicate. We're going to be learning some really great things in the next lesson with eighth notes and possibly even some accents. We'll see you there. You can feel it.